Wow, the weather is nice. It will be nice if I have a drone here. Wow, DJI Neo! So this is the DJI Neo. Yeah, so we purchased this DJI Neo drone is because it's small, easy to carry, and when it flies, it doesn't really attract attention around the area. So what happened here is while we are on the way to Finland from Sweden, we stopped in this one of the town in Sweden, and while we having a break because it's quite far from Narvik to Rovaniemi. While we're having a toilet break, it's a good time to walk around, fly the drone, and had a view from above. But since the toilet where our tour guide recommend us to go has a very long queue, we try to find an available toilet somewhere else. And while searching, we let the drone follow us. It's a cinematic like a movie. We found another grocery shop, so we thought we will go there and use the toilet. And by the way, it's very, very cold. As you can see, the whole town is covered with ice. We also tried the other flight mode of DJI drone Neo, like Circle, which is it will fly around us. And Droney, which it will fly far from us and it will also come back. And also we tried to make a heart drone from the snow, but it doesn't look nice. So it's nice that it's a drone and able to capture our surroundings while we are playing in the snow. By the way, what I'm carrying, the orange bag is extra battery. One battery can only last for about 15 minutes or less because of this snowy weather. And actually it's a bit windy around this time, and the drone still able to maintain the control. We also try to walk to the other side so at least we can have a different background of our drone video. And by the way, that blue and white bus is our tour bus which we've used in Norway, and now we still using it in Sweden, going to Finland. The function that I used here is just to follow us. And again, we tried this circle around us mode in a different background. I didn't expect that it will hit the tree. But don't worry, the drone is fine.